Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to send attachment on Gmail. So let's get started. At first let's get into Gmail app. So here it is. Now enter this compose button over here. So let's tap on this. Now enter the recipient email address. Now you can enter the subject and compose the email. Once you are done with all of the text, you can see this attachment button over here. So let's tap on this icon and click on attach file. Now choose the file you want to send. So let's go for documents. So here it is. Now click on the send icon over here. So let's tap on this and it's done. So this is all. This is how we can send attachment on Gmail. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.